Hey, my name is MoonZ.
And for this video, I will show you how to go to this, to this. I have traveled billions miles just to teach y'all my technique of how to be good looking like me. So you better like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I need this money, and you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe right now. I'm not playing games. Subscribe right now, please. And now is that time. Now is that time I teach y'all what beauty really stands for, what beauty is, what beauty are, what beauty everywhere. Oh yeah, I seen a snake by the way if y'all want to see it. Look, y'all see that? Look at the tongue. Anyway.
I do not want to break anybody's hearts. But if you want to stay like this guy right here, little old me, then stay like that. But after you finish watching this video, you gonna be Giggy Chad.
I'm gonna make this video about 3 minutes short, so if y'all don't pay attention, you don't pay attention. I'm sorry. You missed the bus stop. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to run after the bus. Nah, shoot. I'm not finna just make this video like 15 minutes long just so yeah. Now the first thing I want y'all to do is stay consistent. Whatever that means. I ain't look it up. I want y'all to stay passionate about looking good. I want you to get up every day and work on it. Like, my option for y'all is work on your face and your hair. Listen, your hair is the most important part of your face. I said what I said and I'm not taking it back. So the thing I started off with was my jawline and my hair. As you can see here, I don't think I got a hairline, but I still think I look like the Fresh Prince in the high school. My tip for y'all to start off training y'all jawline is to just chew on gum, man. Chew on gum for like 30 minutes, 1 hour. I chew mine for 1 hour straight. Keep the gum in your mouth. Second thing I think you should do is grow your hair, and also, like, you see this? Look at me. I got the swag, pulling my pants up, my t-shirt up. Grow your hair. Listen, grow your hair to a perfect... Man, my audio just cut off, bro. Grow your hair to a perfect length and size and matters. Trust me on this. You gotta grow your hair to the way you wanna and the way they wanna. You understand? Like, you gotta grow your hair, bro. Listen, grow your hair. Pick the style for you. You know what I'm saying? And that's the first two steps of looking like Giggy Chad. You're gonna have the face. After the face, we looking cute already, y'all. Trust me. After your face, we start off with the body. You gotta have a body goal. Whether you fat or not, you gotta have a body goal. Cause me, I started off so skinny. You can see my bones. You can call me Skinny Bone Jones. For matter of fact, I might change my YouTube channel Skinny Bone Jones. Look at me dancing right there, going crazy, right? Listen, y'all gotta get y'all body in. My audio cut off again. Now for a body exercise, I really want to save it for another video. You know what I'm saying? So I could get split views. If this go viral, it go viral. Then I'll make another video, and then another video. Then another video. But literally, that's all y'all have to do, bro.
Chew gum for 1 hour, 30 minutes. I don't care. Grow your hair. Pick a perfect hairstyle. That will fix your facial expressions. That will fix your face. That will fix your face.
This video beautiful, man. And that's my 2 tips on how you get better looking and stuff like that. If you want to glow up, don't forget to join my Discord server. I actually made a Discord server. Don't forget to join my Discord server. Link in the description. And like and subscribe and share. This better reach 1 billion views. Something I got views on this place, clean. Cause I just saved the day. I saved everybody's life. I saved the day. Who saved the day? It was me. I saved the day. Now, I'll see y'all later. Bye. I'ma save the day once again tomorrow.